You're going to attempt on Mysore. If you're interested, get your parents' approval and register your name.
How much money do you want? 5,000 rupees there. Here is 5,000 rupees.
Really, do you want to go there?
Yes, Pop. My ma'am told me that would be very beneficial to us.
Okay, dear. I will give within 2 or 3 days.
I'll give my money for my friend. Will you all give your savings money for our friend?
Yes, we will give our savings. Pranav was successfully treated by doctors. Pranav and his parents finally understood their mistake. Savings allows us to pursue our dreams, whether it's buying a home, funding an education, or traveling the world. We need to save trees, water, food, and education. Each of these plays a crucial role in our life and the future of our planet.
எப்போதும் செலவு போக மீதியை சேமிக்காது, சேமிப்பு போக மீதியை செலவு செய்ய. நன்றி.